an intro to conditional questions, how they work, and how to set them up. So I've got an example set up here with a window cleaning that uses a lot of different conditional questions. And let's dive into it. So you'll see this tag right here that says conditional. And basically the way this works is, let's open it up, go to conditional display, and you can see it says show this variable when, and then you can set a condition. So in this particular example, we have a condition set to when window type is or contains as one of double hung windows. This question is number of double hung windows. So it's connected to this question right here that has it. Basically what this question is doing is asking the customer what type of windows they have. If they select double hung, bow, bay, whatever, it'll then ask them how many of each type of window. So in this example, if they select double hung, this question will show because this condition will have been met, and it'll ask them how many double hung windows. Now you also need to have a default value when hidden, and the reason for that is because this question is going to be a part of the formula no matter what. So here you've got, let's see, double hung windows in here somewhere, double hung multiplied by 10. So when this value is hidden, we want to make that default value 0. And the reason for it is because 0 times 10 would remain 0, and it doesn't affect the rest of the formula if there are 0 double hung windows. Sometimes it's useful to make this number 1 if it is, like 10 times, it could be a little bit more complicated. You'll copy it with an example there, but sometimes it's useful to make the default value 1 so that it doesn't affect the price in this particular case because it's being used as an addition. Well, it's being multiplied, but then the output is being added to the rest of the formula. It's better to keep it as 0. Okay, so that's how conditional questions work. In order to add them, it's fairly easy. Like I said, you just take any particular question that you have or variable, you'll toggle on conditional display, and then you just set the variable condition. So that's all there is to it. Conditional questions are very simple. If you have any questions, please contact support. Thanks and have a great day.